You don't get into unnecessary arguments, debates, and stuff. You do not get into competitive stuff. You do not kind of get into scoring points and stuff. You focus on your own work and you focus on your own journey. And as they say, let the Rona Dhona happen and stuff. Focus on yourself and do your own stuff. If you're in strategy and you spend your time on other people's businesses and their friendships and on their relationships and stuff, you're going to be wasting a lot of your time and stuff. It's going to be affecting your own energies and stuff. You will not be able to kind of achieve what you're setting out to do. So rather than chasing the wrong goals, it's always a good idea to kind of write down on what you want to do and include relaxation and include creativity and include mindful stuff into your systems and stuff, because not everybody is wanting to be in pastry, not everybody is wanting to be on TV, not everybody is wanting to be a Shah Rukh Khan, not everybody wants to be a Salman Khan. And realistically speaking, it's a bigger world out there, which I keep sharing all the time. There's a lot of negativity and frustration in that world. So if you can focus on better stuff, you can focus on positive stuff, and you can focus on the bigger picture of economics, of more creative or more intellectual, more global, larger than what is already shown to you and stuff like that, you will actually get the realization that yes, there are bigger things and better things waiting for you globally. To tune into retail, tune into real estate, tune into infrastructure, tune into environment, tune into music, tune into theater, tune into books, tune into awards, which give you positive information and inspire you and stuff, rather than just looking at the basics of which, no offense meant, a city like Bombay shows us the life of a lot of people is not